Starting with the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum, my dear YouTube friends. Hope you are all fine. As you all know that in each of my video, I bring you very beautiful and stylish different crochet knitted pattern designs. In today's video, I have brought for you some very beautiful, stylish, elegant, eye-catching and very easy to make at home DIY crochet knitted handmade earrings designs in different shapes you can see in this video, and different color you will see in this video. The design in this video will be different from the other design that you see. Crochet knitted earrings designs are made with great effort and they require skilled hand to make. If you have crochet knitting skill, so you can easily make different type of crochet things like bag, jewelry, dresses, bed sheet, sofa covers, curtains, hats, caps, scarves, baby crochet dresses, many different type of useful things you want. If you want to have these type of crochet knitted earring designs, so you can easily buy them from the market, or you can visit the online shopping stores and buy them from the online shopping stores. Crochet work is a hobby of many people, so you can easily make different type of crochet things and these type of earrings from these people for yourself from these people. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, so I would like to ask you that please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that any video we upload for you in which we collect beautiful pictures and provide you with more than one advice for free, you will get a notification of them and talk about taking care of yourself and your loved ones. Keep us in your prayers and give us your feedback in the comment section to encourage us. Also, let us know by commenting what you want to see and what you want to learn. Must watch this video till the end. Now, allow us to come with many good and lovely ideas and lovely videos and different patterns for yourselves. Allah Hafiz. Goodbye. God bless you.